Pan and zoom, also known as the Ken Burns effect, is a great way to add motion to still images or videos, making them more engaging. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use this feature in Filmora X, perfect for beginners. In Filmora X, the pan and zoom feature allows you to add smooth motion effects to images or videos, making them more dynamic. To use this feature, first drag your images, videos to timeline. Then, select the clip and click on Crop icon, where you will find the Pan and Zoom tab. Here, you will see two adjustable boxes. The Start box, green, represents the initial frame, while the End box, red, represents the final frame after the effect is applied. To create a zoom-in effect, keep the Start box larger and the End box smaller, making the camera appear to move closer to the subject. By clicking the icon, you can do playback. For a zoom-out effect, reverse this by keeping the Start box smaller and the End box larger, creating a pulling away effect. By clicking the icon, you can do playback. By clicking the reset button, you can reset your changes. You can also select the camera movement by these icons. If you want to add a panning effect, keep both boxes the same size, but move them in different positions. Once you're satisfied, click on OK to apply the pan and zoom effect.